Hello, I am taking you inside my new site, which is at Thane. So this is basically a 3 BHK flat. We have recently started the work. So this is the living room. It's a very small balcony, but very soon I'll be uploading the expected 3D of the project, and we'll be enjoying the journey as well. So that there will be a detailed discussion of the expected things which are coming on this site. Now, in front of me, this area will be dedicated to a mandir place along with the dining space. So, dining and mandir are the two utilities which are designated at the time for this location. Now, coming ahead, I will be taking you to kitchen. Kitchen, currently there was only one main platform, but what we are having is a main platform with a parallel platform, wherein vertical tall unit with the refrigerator space. So here we have a very small space which cannot be utilized much. It is only partly we can definitely use it. So we are thinking like there's something in my mind for this place. Stay tuned to know more about what's going to come here. Now moving ahead, I take you to common washroom. I'm not doing majority civil work here, so bathroom I'm not touching as of. It is only the doors which are going to be changed. As always, for the doors I'll be having ACT and the lamination here. Now this is the bedroom 1, which is the small bedroom. This bedroom is going to be space for study, and also along with study there will be a provision of bunk bed here for two of their, my client, the family configuration is 4 couple and 2 kids, so there is a provision bunk bed over here. In the bunk bed also there are 2 options, so very soon I will be sending the video of that location as well. Here in this extension we are proposing a seating counter, but that depends on the readiness of the society. So as of now that is just the provisional. Let's see, if we get a permission, definitely we'll be going ahead with that. Now this is the passage. Here is the dead end. There is one bedroom towards my right and one towards my left. So this dead end, definitely I am trying to highlight it, as this is going to be the prima facie of the house. Now here, this bedroom is a guest bedroom, which can even be used as kids' bedroom. So there are dual roles. Whenever there are guests at home, guests will definitely enjoy the bigger bedroom and kids will definitely go to the other part of the bedroom. Here, this is an attached toilet. As discussed, I am not doing any civil work here, so I am not focusing much on the toilet as of now. This is a dedicated space for the wardrobe, and again here there is a balcony. Balcony also there are small makeovers what we will be doing, so stay tuned. Now we are going to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, the designated wardrobe area with a bed. Bed is ideally positioned here. Now here I am having, my client has a special requirement for a sewing machine. So I am designing something unique over here, where the sewing machine would be placed, but it would also be highlighted or it would be concealed. So there is a lot coming here in this flat. As like that bedroom, we have a very small balcony here. So balcony is like a flower bed. We cannot term it as a balcony. So this is just a peek away balcony. So both sides of the walls will be definitely decorated. There is a bathroom here, but since we are not doing this civil work, I am not showcasing the bathroom as of now. So we started the work on this site last week. So since there was no major civil work happening, you might be seeing the floor is completely covered with the gypsum blocks. These are gypsum tiles which safeguards the flooring condition since we are not reflooring. The only patch where the door opening is there. Now what you see here, for the door to open, we have just kept this open as of now because the work has not started much. Apart from that, I have completed framing for the fall ceiling at 2 locations. One is master bedroom and the kitchen, and primary electrical wiring has been done. So carpentry is expected from tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. So stay tuned. I will definitely be posting the updates of this site I don't think so I'll be having a detailed episode day-to-day journey as like my other project. But yes, I will definitely updating you with the steps which we are taking in each and every room. And towards the end, you will definitely enjoy the. Thank you so much, guys, for being patient and being with me in the entire video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.